Coming up on TLDR from GeekWire. Amazon pauses construction in response to a proposed tax on the city's biggest businesses. The Gates Foundation commits $158 million to combat poverty. And the pet-sitting company Rover is going global. From GeekWire, it's TLDR, your daily rundown on all things tech and other geekiness. Amazon is pausing construction on a new office building in Seattle. Builders were told to stop working on the 17-story building until the Seattle City Council votes on a proposed tax on the city's biggest companies. The revenue would go towards affordable housing and homeless services. The council was expected to vote on May 14th, but Cairo Radio reports that the vote could be pushed back to May 21st. If passed, Amazon would pay about $20 million per year. And this is just one example of growing tensions between Amazon and Seattle. Just last month, Seattle Council member Shama Sawant and affordable housing activists protested at Amazon's headquarters.
To pay, ho, ho! Hey, hey! Amazon has got to pay, ho, ho!
And earlier today, Sawant held an event in front of the Amazon spheres in favor of the tax. As she spoke, she was interrupted by dozens of iron workers protesting the tax.
Do you believe that other workers have the right to—
No head tax! No head tax! No head tax! No head tax! Don't you get it?
However, some workers did show up in support of Sawant. In other news, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation wants to help more Americans climb up the economic ladder. The foundation says it'll commit $158 million over the next 4 years to fund research, data collection, and community initiatives to combat poverty.
The American dream is on life support. It's no longer achievable for so many millions of people in this country.
Part of the funding will be used for research on the new landscape for jobs. The Gates Foundation also wants to improve public understanding of poverty.
Learning from a mix of research, from practice, and from people with lived experience on the journey from poverty to upward mobility.
And finally, the Seattle-based company Rover is expanding to the UK in July. The company helps match more than 200,000 vetted sitters with people who need someone to take care of their pets. Rover CEO Aaron Easterly says Europe represents 30% of global spending on pets. Rover was born out of a startup weekend event in 2011 and now operates one of the most popular pet-sitting platforms in the US and Canada. Rover has almost 300 employees in Seattle and now plans to open a European headquarters because of the expansion. Well, that's all we have for today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss an episode. I'm Starla Simpacco. Thanks for watching TLDR. We'll see you tomorrow.